me again. So just remove the corn. I just put this little tiny separator here. It's just semi-compressed felt. So we're just going to remove this. So this nail has been really, really stubborn. It's literally, we treat it with like lasers, medicine, topical medication, just all sorts of things, and it keeps on wanting to come back. And sometimes you just need to remove the goddamn thing to remove the infection. Are you feeling okay? So when we were doing the corn, which you probably saw last week or in the future, we did a local anesthetic. She did ask about, her friend said that she needed to go under general anesthetic for a nail surgery. Now, there's obviously the option to do it, but it's a very, very rare thing to do because there's just more complications with under a general anesthetic. But if it needs to, we know a guy. I always know a guy. I feel like I'm a drug dealer. It's a bit more bloody than the corn removal. I probably will need to this is not coming off in one piece. So I'm just going to loosen it up a little bit more for the nail root. A bit more bloody, this one.
I did take Panadol.
That's okay. That's good. Yep. This is just going to require a bit of tidying up, to be honest, because there's quite a bit of debris on the nail bed. We want to peel all this away because it's not very healthy tissue. It's all infected tissue.
Infected.
That's why it's probably why it's so hard to get rid of your fungal infection, because this is always here. It's underneath, it's hiding.